Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your Oppo is awake and unlocked. This prevents accidental taps. Once done, long press a blank spot on the home screen to reveal home settings and widgets. Tap Widgets and swipe through the list to locate the Photos, Gallery, or Google Photos widget option. You're doing this because widgets are managed at the launcher level. Selecting Widgets now lets you place a live photo frame without opening any app, so keep that list visible as we proceed. Now pick the photo or gallery widget you want. Launchers offer sizes like 1x1, 2x2, or wider frames. Tap and hold the chosen widget, then drag it to the target home screen panel. Make sure there's enough space so icons don't overlap. When you release, the widget often opens a setup prompt. Select the album, folder, or Google Photos /album as the image source. Adjust cropping or slideshow speed where available. This defines how photos rotate. Finish by tapping outside the widget to save placement, and if your launcher supports it, lock the layout to avoid accidental moves. If images fail to appear, open Settings and confirm Gallery or Google Photos has permission for storage or Photos access. Widget content depends on those permissions. If problems persist, remove and re-add the widget, or reboot the phone to clear transient issues. This resolves most glitches because it resets the launcher's cache and reinitializes widget connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.